Hello friends, welcome to MCQ series for set examination teaching aptitude episode 4. Rules of this presentation will be you pause the video when question appears and try to answer it on your own. I'll be answering it after the question is displayed and I'll tell you the explanation. And if possible, please write down your score in the comment section. So to start with our first question, identify the incorrect pair from the following. So here, file and its extension is been given. File name and its extension will be has been given. So first option is A is .jpg and graphic file. B option is .ttf to word text file. C is .wav to audio file, and D .exe to executable file. So here JPG for graphic file is correct, WAV for audio file is correct, .exe for executable file is correct. For word text file you have extensions like txt, docx, but not the ttf. ttf is the extension for font file. So our next question friends, so correct answer here is B. .ttf and word text file is incorrect pair among the 4 pairs. So next question is the identify the correct ascending order of units of digital memory. So friends, here it is easy to answer this question, as we our daily base we are using the MB and GB. So we know MB is less than GB, but we don't know the peta and tera relation. For that, what I have given is a table where you have been given all the prefixes for the digital memory. So mega, giga, tera, peta, exa, zeta and iota. So this is the order. So from that this table you can easily say that D is the correct option here. That is megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte and petabyte. So accordingly, so friends, please remember this, please have look at this table and try to remember the units. So the option correct option here is D. Now they have asked us to arrange the correct chronology for the internet facilities from the following. So friends, I'll tell you, the IMDb is a movie database. Google is the internet company which also looks after cloud computing and other businesses. LinkedIn is social networking site with focus on job related market, and YouTube is video sharing website. So IMDb was first, it was the first to be founded in 1970. Google was founded in 1998. LinkedIn was founded in 2002, and YouTube was the recent to be founded. It was in 2005. So from this you can easily answer, because IMDb was founded in 1970. So the option A is the correct option here. Okay friends, so next question is this question is Bhopal disaster is caused by, so I have put this question in between. So it is caused by methyl isocyanate. We have studied it in our secondary schools, so not that difficult to answer, but just that you should know it. It is caused by methyl isocyanate. So correct answer is option A. Now identify the correct pair from the following. So friends, option A is A Google Bill Gates, B Hotmail Tim Cook, C Wikipedia Jimmy Wales, D YouTube Richard Stallman. So friends, so Google is so with Google is not founded by Bill Gates. Bill Gates has founded Microsoft, and Google is founded by Sergey Brin and Larry Page. So first option it is not correct. Hotmail founder, as we all know, that Sabir Bhatia has founded the Hotmail and not Tim Cook. So Tim Cook is Apple CEO, current Apple CEO. He is related with Apple. Now YouTube is founded by three people, Javed Karim and associate, and not Richard Stallman. Richard Stallman is he is a social worker in USA who who fights for the free software campaign. So he is not associated with the YouTube in any ways. So only absent that remains is Jimmy Wales, who has founded Wikipedia. So correct answer for us is Wikipedia, Jimmy Wales, that is option C. Now friends, if you have liked this video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.